Welcome back to That Simple Guide. In today's guide, we're going to take a look at how to add a bot to your Discord server. If this video is useful, please consider subscribing so we can get the non-Photoshop version of this thing. Alright, so let's get right started. Once you're on your server, you want to click in the top left where it says your server's name. Click on that and then go down to app directory. And then from here you can browse and find apps and also bots. And there are some categories. Maybe you want to go to moderation and tools, or you can also search up here if you have a specific bot in mind. So for this example, I'm going to use Dino right here. And so the next step could look a bit different depending on which bot you're adding, but it's going to look something like this. So let me click on add app. And in this case, it's going to send me to their website. So let me click on visit site and it's going to open up the browser. And it should look something like this. Make sure you are signed into the correct account, or you might have to sign in first. If this is not the correct account, just click on not you and you can change the account. And then make sure to read here, because those are the permissions you're giving to the bot. And then you can choose which server to add it to. You will of course need the permissions to add a bot to the server. And so I'm going to use my tutorial server here and click on continue. Here we can see the permissions that we're giving to Dino, and you can also choose to untick some of them. However, of course, some functionalities might not work if you don't give the corresponding permission. Okay, so I'm happy with that now, so I'm going to click on authorize. And I'm going to have to do a captcha here. And there we go. In my web browser, it now redirected me to the Dino website, and I can continue the setup in here. But if I switch back to Discord and go to my server, you will see Dino did join my server, and so I've added it now. Now it depends of course on the type of bot that you added. You might have to do some additional setup here, but yeah. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.